Welcome to the Agrico PVC pipe factory, where more than 4,000 kilometers of pipe is manufactured each year. This is where precision and innovation meet to form high-quality and locally produced PVC products. 3 types of PVC pipes are manufactured here. ISOFlow is Agrico's UPVC range, ISOTough is our MPVC range, and ISODrain is our sewage and drain pipe. Each pipe is crafted from high-quality raw materials, carefully selected to meet requirements of the South African National Standards, or SANS. First, an automated mixing system accurately weighs and combines the material according to the certified formula to ensure consistent quality. The material is then conveyed to a production line, where it is heated and pushed through a die to create a pipe with a defined diameter. During the extrusion process, wall thickness is continuously monitored by a radar scanner at multiple points to ensure each pipe meets the required standards. The data is then stored for accurate traceability and quality control of each batch. The pipe is then cut to a specified length, after which the front end is reheated and the socket is formed. Once the process is completed, the line operator conducts a thorough inspection to ensure each pipe meets the required standards. If the pipe passes inspection, the rubber seal is then installed. The Agrico quality team is on duty 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to ensure that every batch of pipe is rigorously tested and verified according to industry standards. Advanced wall thickness scanning avoids material wastage and ensures that every pipe is lightweight yet durable. As part of our recycling process, PVC pipes that don't meet SANS standards are granulated and reused in production. We ensure PVC pipe of exceptional quality, all at a fair price. Agrico, innovation, quality, and reliability for the perfect connection.